In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up a recovery code for 1Password. So in case you lost your account and you want to log back in, this recovery code will help you to get back access. And so if you're using browser or Chrome or whichever browser you have access to your 1Password, you can click the extension and you can quickly access your admin console by clicking open and fill. It's going to take you over to the link directly. Enter your credentials or click there. It should pre-fill your password and log you right into the console. Once you do, click your account in the upper right and click on manage account. And so here under this section, you'll be able to set up an recovery code. It says set up an account recovery. Click and set up recovery code right here. You want to accept the terms, click on generate recovery, and here you can click and save. And so you have it right here. You can print it, you can save it, you can do whatever it is. And so I'm going to click and save. It's going to download into a text document. You click on next, and so you can even enter that recovery code that is going to do. So now that it has that, you can go ahead and I'm going to open up this document. It's on my computer, which I just download. It's this file, and you can see right here that it has the recovery code right here. I'm going to copy this code here and click and enter. And so I'm going to click and confirm and set up. And so that sets me up right here successfully to have a recovery code set up in 1Password. So keep all of this safe along with your emergency kit. You can click to download it by clicking here. It's going to generate, and you can click download and download your recovery code. All of these is going to be good for you to actually basically keep your account safe, that you can use it at any point in time that you need. And that's it, guys. So if you're looking for how to set up a recovery code for the future to be safe, that's how you actually do it.